Hello, I'm CHMR Chief Meteorologist for your weather blast for this Wednesday, January 9th at 12 o'clock. A messy storm for tonight into tomorrow. We'll see seasonal temperatures for through Saturday before a cool down for late on the weekend into early next week. And then before that, we also have the potential for some snow Monday into Tuesday morning. Looking at current conditions right now, -3 under cloudy skies, dew point -6, humidity at 79%. Winds northeast 42 kilometers per hour with a wind chill of -11, and the pressure at 1,018 hectopascals. Take a look at the closer look for tomorrow. We are looking at that freezing rain. Winds east 50 to 80 kilometers per hour tomorrow morning at -1. By noon tomorrow, showers and winds from the east at 20 kilometers per hour. Temperature +3 and +7 tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock with cloudy skies and light winds. Let's take a look now at the futurecast taking us out over the next 48 hours. There's that big system right here over southern Nova Scotia. This will continue to head north, spreading snow from south to east for Newfoundland. Snow beginning late this evening in parts of the south coast, and then eventually on the Burin Peninsula by late this evening as well, and then eventually into our neck of the woods by overnight tonight. Snowfall should begin in the metro between 12 and 1 o'clock, and eventually changing over to freezing rain mixed with ice pellets by 2 in the morning, 2 or 3 in the morning, and then eventually all freezing rain. And that freezing rain will actually continue even into the early morning hours tomorrow of, let's say, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning before eventually finally changing over to rain. And we'll change over to rain by 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. And some of that rain could be heavy at times, and then we taper the showers by 12 near noon, and those showers will continue into the afternoon. We'll see those showers end as we get into tomorrow evening. And we'll see cloudy skies with a chance of showers tomorrow night. And then more rain from a separate system, another coastal storm that will likely bring us a chance of freezing rain for tomorrow night into Friday. And then a chance of snow on the back end of that system with cold air. So we could see some snow on Friday as well. Snowfall amounts as of now look to be 1 to 3 centimeters for tonight, and then we could see additional snowfall for as we get into your Friday afternoon. Another 2 to 4 centimeters is possible. Rainfall and freezing rain amounts of 5 to 10 millimeters are expected of each. Total precipitation amounts look to be of 15 to 25 millimeters. We'll also see those strong southeast winds gusting upwards of 80 kilometers per hour tonight and early tomorrow before dying down at tomorrow afternoon. Let's take a look at the early forecast now then. For the rest of today, noon o'clock, we're looking at cloudy skies. Those cloudy skies continue into 3 o'clock this afternoon with temperatures of -2 degrees. That'll be your high today. Cloudy skies this evening, -4 at 6 o'clock, -7 will be your cold temperature for 9 o'clock. That will be your low, and varies by midnight and -5. If you're heading to school, looking at cloudy skies at noon and -3, and as you head home on the bus, -2 and cloudy skies. Day planner for the rest of today, looking at cloudy skies -2, -4 by 6 o'clock, -8, looking at flurries at -6. Today, cloudy, not as cold, -2, 10% chance of flurries. Otherwise, plan on a dry day. Northwest winds 15 kilometers per hour this afternoon. Freezing rain chance will begin to creep up after midnight tonight and substantially increase as we get into the overnight hours until early tomorrow morning. In fact, by 6 o'clock, there's a 80% chance of freezing rain. Snow chance for tonight, 10% chance at 10 o'clock. We'll increase that to 40% as we get to midnight. And then by 1 to 3 in the morning would be the best chance for snow at 70 to 90%. So the best chance to see some snow is between 12 midnight and 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. After that, the chance of snow diminishes back down to 20 and 10%. Snow forecast we'll see maybe a centimeter on the ground by midnight, and then by 3 o'clock tomorrow morning we'll see about 3 centimeters, and then that will change over to freezing rain and rain. Temperature trend shows temperatures slowly falling down as we get through the evening hours to -7 by 9 and 10 o'clock, and then as the winds begin to shift to the southeast, we'll see those temperatures rise -6 by 11. Midnight, we're looking at -5, and then by 3 o'clock in the morning, we'll see -3, and then we'll continue to increase those temperatures to -1 by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Tonight, snow to ice and rising temperatures -7, but those temps will rise to -1 by morning. 60% chance of freezing rain and snow. Winds increase in the east-southeast 50, gusting to 80, and that rain chance for tomorrow. High chance of rain in the morning will diminish it to a medium chance of rain for the afternoon, and then a slight chance of rain and showers by the evening hours after 5 o'clock. For tomorrow, looking at morning freezing rain, change in the showers, mild 7 degrees, 80% chance of rain, winds east 50 km/h, gusting to 80, and then becoming light in the afternoon. The threats for tonight into tomorrow, the biggest threat right now is freezing rain and the slick roads. Medium to high threat for wind and rain, but I think the freezing rain and slick roads would be the highest threat right now. 5 to 10 millimeters will be a lot of ice on those roads and sidewalks, and also putting pressure on those power lines, so we could see some power outages as well. Very low threat for any snow, as I do think most of us will get away with less than 4 centimeters of snowfall. Winds will be gusty though to 80 km/h. That's going to help increase the power outage chance there, and those rains as well will create some localized flooding. A medium to high chance of flooding as well from the rain. If you have plans for the weekend, looking at scattered showers for the morning hours on Friday, tapering to flurries or snow in the afternoon, 1 degree. Saturday, mostly cloudy and 1 degree. Sunday will be your best pick of the weekend. Looking at lots of sunshine, light winds, but it will be a little cooler. Temperatures on Sunday falling down to -3. We'll have a morning low of -7. Temperature tracker shows temperatures will be above average Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, with temperatures above the freezing mark, which is average for this time of year. Will fall back down to below average by Sunday with temperatures of -3. And we'll stay there for Monday and Tuesday with temperatures of -3. Mostly dry Friday evening right through to Monday. The best chance for another snow event will be on Monday night into Tuesday, where we could pick up a good significant snowfall Monday night into Tuesday. Other than that, we are looking at much more comfortable temperatures and a drier pattern, with the exception of tonight into tomorrow. This is your CHMR Weather Blast. I'm CHMR Chief Meteorologist. Have a great day.